Hi friends, how are you? I hope you are doing good. I am Yogesh Chandra from 10th class from TTWREIS COE Yagupura, Warangal. So before going to the topic, I will display some symbols on the screen. Please try to tell what you are assuming after watching them. Here, look at this symbol. What does the symbol express? Yes, you are right. It is a smiley face and good face. When we feel happy, when we got good marks in exams, we feel very happy. And we are going to the tour, we feel very happy. And for example, if you are going to the abroad like Australia, America, you feel very happy. Like that, this symbol represents smile face and good face. Now, here the another one. Look at this symbol. What does the symbol express? Yes, it is a sad face, right? A mood off. So, when we fall sick, we feel very unhappy. And when we get injury, we feel unhappy. And when the teacher beat us, we feel very happy. Not unhappy, right? Now, let us see another symbol. Look at this symbol. What does the symbol express? Yes, you are right. It is a thinking face. When we are doing math problems, we think how to find the solution of the problem, and we try in different ways to find out the problem, and we get a class solution. In that way, we think too much. And here the last one for you. Look at this symbol. What does the symbol express? Yes, it is a good, done, we are doing, keep it up symbol, right? So when our team win the cricket tournament, and when our friend hit a six, everyone around us appreciate us. You are doing very good, keep it up, right? So by this all observation, each symbol representing and they are telling something. So a symbol is that which express something is called an expression, my dear friends. Once again, a symbol is that which expresses something is called an expression. So let us see some more symbols. Here, can you say what does it suggest? Yes, it is a number 5, right? No, another one. Can you say what does it suggest? Yes, it is a number 7, right? And another one. Can you say what does it suggest? Yes, this is a number 9. Here 5, 7, 9, these all are numbers, right? By this all observation, I can conclude that a number involving in an expression is called numerical expression. Once again, a number involving in an expression is called numerical expression. Once again, a numerical expression in mathematical statement that involves only numbers along with one or more operation symbols. Here operation symbols mean what? Operation symbols means we know addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So they are the operation symbols. Now let us try to learn and let us move to further one, that is parts of an expression in maths. So parts of an expression is maths is made up of 4 parts, right? They are constant, variable, terms and operators. So let us discuss more about them. So constant. What is constant? A constant is a fixed numerical value, my dear friends. A constant is a fixed numerical value. In other words, a constant is a value that cannot change in the expression. Once again, a constant is a value that cannot change in the expression. So example for the constant are all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So these are the example for the constant means the numbers are fixed value in the expression, right? So let us move on to the variables. So what is variable? Variable did not take any fixed values. Values are assigned according to the requirement. In simple words, variable is a changing value in the expression. So to represent a variable, we use English alphabets like A, B, C and X, Y, Z. So these are most commonly we use to represent the variable. A good example for the variable is chameleon. Chameleon, we can identify the chameleon in the forest. So chameleon change its color from place to place. Like that, variable also change its value from expression to expression, my dear friends. Okay, remember one thing, variable is a changing value. Now let us go on to the another one, that is terms. Here what is a term? Here term can be a number or a variable or product of constant and a variable or product of two variables. Once again, a term can be a number or a variable, product of constant and a variable or product of variables. So let us see some examples. Here 2x. 2x is a term, that is a single term, right? Now another example, 5a plus 2b minus 7. Here there are three terms. Did you observe anything in this? Yes, there are three terms. Here plus and minus symbols are dividing into terms, right? That's why the four operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are used to combine the terms of an expression and are called operators. Operators are nothing but all the fundamental operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So these are the operators. Do you hear the word algebraic expression? Did you know about algebraic expression? I will tell you. Algebraic expression is a combination of one or more constant variables. Once again, algebraic expression consists of constant and variables. It also have fundamental operations like that addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let us see some examples. Here 2x plus 5. Here we clearly say that there are two terms, 2x and 5. Here plus is the dividing the terms, right? Here 5 is a constant, means 5 is a fixed value and 2x is a term, in that x is a variable and 2 is a coefficient of x. So what is coefficient? A coefficient is nothing but a number or a variable which multiply the variable is called coefficient. Once again, a number or a variable which multiply the variable is called coefficient, my dear friends. Here x coefficient is 2, right? So 2x and 5 are terms. So let us see some more examples of algebraic expression. Here 3x plus 2, there are two terms. It is plus is dividing into terms. 3x is a term and 2 is a term. In that x coefficient is 3, right? Now let us try to learn one of the mathematical expression, that is polynomials. Yes, today we are going to discuss about polynomials. What is polynomial? I will tell you. Polynomial, the word can divide into two, poly and nomials. Here poly means many and nomial means terms. If you combine those, polynomial means many terms. Clear? What is the definition of the polynomial? Here polynomial is an algebraic expression with non-negative integral power, is called polynomial. Once again, a polynomial is an algebraic expression with non-negative integral power. Here non-negative integral power means what? Non-negative integral power means whole numbers, my dear friends. You know that whole number start with 0, and here non-negative means instead of negative numbers we have to take positive numbers including 0. Here 0 is another positive or non-negative. Here if you take a number line consists of here left side negative numbers and right side positive numbers, in the middle 0. Here we have to take a power of the expression should be positive, my dear friends. Yes, I think you have understand about polynomial. Once again, a polynomial is an algebraic expression with non-negative integral power is said to be a polynomial. A polynomial is a function that can express it in the form of polynomial. It has a form of p of x equal to a n x power n plus a n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus a n minus 2 x power n minus 2 plus and so on plus a1x plus a0, where this an minus 1, an minus 2 and a1, a0 are not equal to 0. If it equal to 0, it is not a polynomial. So let us see some examples of polynomial. Here 2x square plus 3x plus 2. In that 2x square has degree 2 and 3x has 1, because every variable has degree 1, my dear friends, and 2 is a constant, right? Means every constant has power 0, means these are all positive, means it is a polynomial, my dear friends. Now let us see another example. Here 2x power minus 1 plus 3x square plus 2x and plus 1. Here it is a polynomial? No friends, it is not a polynomial, because clearly x has a negative power, that is minus 1, right? I think you understand about polynomial. Here a simple form of the polynomial is ax power n. Here x has a positive power, that is n, right? Now let us discuss about degree of a term. So what is a degree of a term? A degree of a term is the sum of the all exponents present in the variable, my dear friends. Once again, a degree of the polynomial is the sum of the all exponents present in a variable. So let us see some examples. Here minus 5 x power 7. Here x clearly has exponent 7, that is a positive, means that is a polynomial and the degree has a term 7, right? Now let us see another one. 3x, x has clearly positive power, that is 1. So the degree of a term is 1, my dear friends. Now let us see one more example, that is 9x square y power 4. Here 6, here the degree of the polynomial is we have to add the variable powers. Here 4 plus 2, it becomes 6, means the degree of the total variable is, total term is 6. Now let us see and one more examples, that is 12. Here 12 is a constant, my dear friends, means every constant has degree 0, right? Means the degree of a term is also 0. Once again, degree of a term with one variable, the degree is the variable exponent. With more than one variable, the degree is the sum of the all exponents of the variable, my dear friends. And I think you have understand about degree of a term. Now let us go to the degree of a polynomial. The degree of a polynomial is the highest degrees of the polynomials with non-zero coefficient. Once again, the degree of the polynomial is the highest of the degrees of the polynomials with non-zero coefficient. Why this condition is mentioning means if the coefficient variable is equal to 0, then it not can be a polynomial, it becomes 0, right? So let us see as polynomial as example. Here example, 5y square plus 8y minus 6. In that, there are 3 terms, right? 5y square plus 8y minus 6. Here there are 3 terms. Plus and minus sign divides into 3 terms. Let us see term 1. Term 1, 5y square with degree 2 and 8y. 8y has degree 1 and minus 6. Minus 6 has degree 0. Means the highest degree is 2. Means the degree of a polynomial is 2. Right? Now another example. Here take x square minus x minus 6. Here x has 2 and x has degree 1 and another 6 has 0 because it is a constant. Here the degree of the polynomial is 2 because the 2 is the highest. Right? Now we can classify a polynomial according to the terms and according to the degree. So types of polynomials based on number of terms. Let us see some examples. There are usually 3 types of polynomials based on terms. Let us discuss about them. Monomials, first type is monomial and second binomial, third trinomial. Let us discuss about monomial. What is monomial? A polynomial with one term is said to be a monomial. Right? Example 3x, 2x, x. It has only one term. These are the examples of monomial, my dear friends. Now binomial. A polynomial with 2 terms. It can said to be a binomial. Right? A polynomial with 2 terms is called as binomial. Let us see some example. Here 5x plus 2. It is a monomial or binomial? Yes, you are right. It is a monomial because it has 2 terms. Right? Now another example. 5x. It is a monomial or binomial? It is not a binomial. It is clearly monomial because it has only single term. Right? Now trinomial. What is trinomial? A polynomial with 3 terms is said to be a trinomial. Right? Take an example. 3x square plus 2x plus 2. Here there are 3 terms. First of all, it is a polynomial. Yes, of course, it is a polynomial because all degrees are non-negative, means positive. And there are 3 terms, means it is a trinomial, my dear friends. Okay? Now some more, let us see some more examples. Trinomial. Here 5x square plus 6x minus 12. There are 3 terms, means it is a trinomial. And take 2x plus 2. Here this is not a trinomial. It is an example of binomial, my dear friends. Now we can classify a polynomial based on degree, my dear friends. So first of all, 0 polynomial and they are linear polynomial. Second one. Third one is quadratic polynomial and another one is cubic polynomial. Remember one thing, there are n types of polynomials based on degree, my dear friends. Right? So what is 0 polynomial? 0 polynomial has undefined degree. 0 polynomial has undefined degree means p of x equal to 0. Right? Now let us discuss about linear polynomial. What is linear polynomial? A linear polynomial is the same thing as a degree 1 polynomial. Every linear polynomial has exactly one root. Right? A polynomial with degree 1 is said to be a linear polynomial and every linear polynomial has 1 0 and no zeros sometimes, right? So let us take some examples of linear polynomial. Here 3x plus 2. Here clearly x has a positive power, that is 1, right? Means that is a linear polynomial, my dear friends. Okay, let us see another example. 2x minus 1 plus 2. Here this is a linear polynomial. No, first of all it is not a polynomial because it has degree minus 1. It is a negative integer. It is not a polynomial, right? Now the graphical representation of the linear polynomial is in the form of straight line, my dear friends. Do you know straight line? Of course, everybody knows straight line. For example, if you are going to a tour or any village, suppose you are going to a native village, you will used to go on the train or a car, right? Suppose if you are going on the car on the road, here the sides of the road is in the form of the straight line, my dear friends. Next, if you are going on a train and you see the tracks of the train, here each track is the example for the straight line, my dear friends. Now let us, here this is a winter season, right? We want warm condition and we want hot. So morning I went to outside to get heat. So here sunrise are in the form of the straight line, my dear friends. So remember one thing, the graphical representation of the linear polynomial is straight line and general form of the linear polynomial is ax plus b. Here if we keep equal to 0, it becomes linear equation and it is also called as simple equation, my dear friends. Now let us discuss about quadratic polynomial. What is quadratic polynomial? Yes, you are right. A polynomial with degree 2 is said to be a quadratic polynomial. A quadratic polynomial, second degree polynomial, where the value of highest degree term is equal to 2, right? Let us see some examples. 2x square plus 3x minus 2. Here clearly x has a positive degree, means it is a polynomial, and there is a degree 2, means it is a quadratic polynomial, my dear friends. Here let us see some more examples. 3x square plus 2x minus 2. Here is also there is a x has clearly positive degree and that is 2, means it is a quadratic polynomial. By this we can also write the general form of the quadratic polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c. So that is the general form of the polynomial. So if we keep equal to 0, it becomes quadratic equation. Here the general form of the quadratic equation is given as ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a and b are the coefficient, means a number or a variable which multiplies a variable, it is called coefficient, right? X is that unknown variable and c is a constant, right? Here the quadratic polynomial has 2 zeros or 1 zero or sometimes no zeros, right? So by this we can draw a graph. The graphical representation of the quadratic polynomial is in the shape of parabola, my dear friends. Suppose think it is a rainy season and you are on the ground and enjoying the rain, and a long time wait, a beautiful rainbow appears in the sky. That is in the form of parabola, my dear friends. Now when we exhale and inhale and exhale, draw the exhale path, inhale path on the graph, and it appears like a polynomial function, and that is in the shape of the parabola, my dear friends. You can see many examples parabola in your daily life. Now let us move on to the cubic polynomial. What is cubic polynomial? A polynomial with degree 3 is said to be a cubic polynomial, my dear friends. Here the general form of the cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. If you keep equal to 0, it becomes cubic equations. Means it has 3 zeros, at most 3 zeros, or 2 zeros, or 1 zero, and sometimes no zeros. So I think you understand our class. Let us recapitalize it. Today we have discussed about expression, right? Numerical expression and algebraic expression, and also we discussed about polynomials. What is polynomial and types of polynomials based on terms and types of polynomial based on degree. At last, finally, I would like to thank our Honorable Secretary Sir, Ronaldo Sir, and our Principal Sir, Srinivas Reddy Sir, and I also thank my guide teacher, Sumlata Ma'am, PGT in Maths, and Tirupati Sir, TGT in Maths, and I also thank Naresh Sir and Papaya Sir. I am very much pleased to be a part of this program. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.